This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Alyssa Need. Nicely appointed 3-bedroom 2-bath home with split bedroom floor plan. Large living room and dining area with wood-burning fireplace. LVP flooring opens to spacious Arkansas room. Kitchen features newer appliances, breakfast nook, pantry and access to laundry room. Both guest bedrooms are good size with nice closet space, neutral decor and ceiling fans. Primary suite has 2 closets, ceiling fan and private bath with newer granite, comfort height toilet. Spacious Arkansas room with vaulted ceiling and opens to deck and fenced yard. Home has newer roof, newer windows, and storage and workshop in garage. No property disclosure. First-time buyers in Hot Springs Village are required to pay a